Hey there, today I'm checking out the Redragon K585 DITI one-handed RGB mechanical gaming keyboard with brown switches. It's wired, comes with a C USB, a braided one. It's fine, it's fairly nice. And you have a USB in, which I use for a lot of stuff myself. Haven't seen any latency issues with that. Comes with this little detachable armrest thing, it's just attached with magnets. I'm really glad they did that because I never use it, but I can see the appeal for some people. I don't think it's gonna save anyone from getting carpal tunnel. It's kind of nice if there's some sort of padding on it, but it's whatever, it's fine. And, the colors are comparable to modern gaming keyboards that you'd see around. It's got some effects too, lots of extra keys, and you got your macros. The only real complaint I have about this thing, oh yeah, and I like the effects, is that your spacebar isn't where your spacebar would be normally. P isn't either, so I use that for most games for the spacebar. And it's fine. I can spam P just fine. This is your spacebar default, and it's kind of, I don't know. I could get used to it, but it's not intuitive for me, so I moved it. And maybe I'll find some other completely great function for that. But if you are low on real estate on your desk and you want a decent, nice feeling clickety-clackety gaming keyboard, this is a good way to go.